on.
All right, addiction. Here we go.
Timer stop.
Taking off to the right.
Timer start. Flight mode 3.
Hands off. All right, here we go.
Time remaining 6 minutes. Timer stop. Timer start. Time remaining 5 minutes.
How many years did it take your kid to get to his 1500?
Say again?
How long did it take your kid to get to his 1500 for commercial?
Get to commercial pilot?
Yeah, I mean, because I think to start you have to have 1500 hours.
Oh yeah, I think it's 1500 is minimum now.
Yeah, how long did it take him?
Oh, just a few years. He flew corporate for a while for a businessman and built up cross-country hours. He's got 15,000 hours plus now. He's really doing good. He's United's looks like they're gonna start buying a whole bunch of Airbus 330s, and he's thinking of taking that class. It's only 4 days because it's the same front end of the airplane, just bigger. Because he wants to fly across the pond, which that one will do. But he's in a dilemma because right now he can upgrade to captain on the 320, so he's thinking about it. Yeah.
Captain's a big deal.
Yeah. He was a captain in the regionals once, so he knows what he's in for. It's a matter of getting a good domicile. You don't want to get Albany, New York. He had it once. So yeah. He usually thinks about those decisions for about a year. He watches the market, he watches everything. I'll land from the left.
Once you make the decision, you're stuck in it for a while. Launching.
Timer stop.
So it's good to think about it for a while.
Oh yeah. Because some of those positions, once you take it, you're stuck for a couple of years. And I'm all clear.
Timer stop.
All clear. Oh, that was cool. That felt good.